I met with Sony for an hour on the 1-inch sensor of the Sony RX100 Mark VII because they put that sensor into a phone, the Sony Xperia PRO-I, and the engineers want my advice on how to make this phone better. Let's start with unboxing this. I'm really excited about this phone. So look at that sensor. It is ginormous. I've never seen a phone with a 1-inch sensor before. I don't think there is one actually. Yeah, so stay tuned for the full detailed reviews. And I'm actually going to make this my primary phone for the next few weeks, if not permanently for like a year. We'll see. And we get a charging brick. USB-C in the house, and it actually says power delivery 30 watts right on there. That's nice. And then we actually got a good size, thick cable. Liking this, USB-C. There are a lot of phones that have Pro in their name. This one probably deserves it. Stay tuned for the full review. It's going to be a lot of videos coming.